Hi moms and dad, you meet with me again, Afi, and for the new parents, welcome to my digital platform. Nice to meet you. I'm a professional content creator who loves sharing thoughts about parenting themes and product insight. Well, in this day, have you ever wondered why your baby feel restless during their afternoon nap? Is that possible because their current diapers is not providing enough air circulation? Well, you don't have to worry right now because that's why I'm here. I will recommend you these premium Japanese diapers, Nepia Genki. These diapers have a texture that's softer than any other diapers. Also, highly recommended by Indonesian Pediatric Society, barely known as the most breathable option for sensitive skin. The material is as gentle as a mother touch, no ensuring races, and they're using deep absorption technology, which is clearly different from any other brands. To maintain this high type quality, every single premium diapers is carefully crafted by the expert at using advanced JetFans technology. Through my digital platform, valuable parenting insights are shared weekly to help young moms and new moms. If you switch to Nepia Genki today, your baby will sleep soundly through the night. Furthermore, if more parents understood about the importance of diaper breathability, baby skin irritation would be significantly reduced. I really wish all baby in the world could experience this ultimate cloud-like comfort every single day. So, are you ready to make the best choice? Let's go! Switch to the Nepia Genki right to the now!